This is Kyle 101, people. You tell me what?
We don't do that. We don't eat.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Eat it like it's the Last Supper.
What you say?
Eat it like it's the Last Supper.
A pint, spinach,
And grab all the muscle, that's what gets you strong in that. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, dog. Eat it.
What you say, man?
Eat it. You're gonna eat it. I know you eat it.
They tell me, man, strong like Popeye. What the?
See, she ain't never felt it, but once she feel it, she gonna go crazy.
Man.
That's another joint. See, that's another chapter right there. Eat them ice. Eat it with some ice.
Yo! That one, yo! You mash up the place. Yo! What the man say? The man said, near me with ice.
Yeah. Grab a little piece of ice, man. Not a big piece. Eating them. Had a little piece of ice on there and just, man. I shouldn't even be telling y'all this, because y'all gonna get a girl open up. I'm telling you. This is, woo! Eat that shit with some ice, man. I'm telling you. She about to go home and try that shit.
I see.
She did it. Rub that ice on. Tell me what you think now. Look, she running home. Look, I told you. She did it. Right, you know, this is about to oh shit, I see what he's talking about. They ain't ready. Watch this. My man right here. My man goes. Hold on. Call my nigga up. I'm telling you. My man. Eat it. If you want your girl to be happy, eat the. Yo, could you hear me? Would you tell these Jamaicans though that eating a man had these girls go crazy, my nigga?
Yeah.
These niggas don't believe me, my nigga. Man, tell them, tell them one time for the mind, son. Tell them. They go what? Bananas, right? Thank you. These dudes don't know what they missing. So I told them it's like Popeye eating his spinach, dog. You know what I mean? And then the crazy part. And then I told them to put the ice on. What? You might do that tonight? See? That's what I'm talking about. These dudes don't know what they missing out on, man. Do we eat? This nigga said, do you eat? We do that. We do that, man. We eat and don't even got money. That's how good that shit is, dude, man.
Kyle, what did you just say?
Man, when I die, I want the pussy on my face. If I could, man, I would eat pussy every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. Listen, if any of you Jamaican girls out there need y'all pussy ate, and y'all need it done real good, come see me. My number is 931-2321. 716. I will come to you. You ain't even gotta come to me. Call me, send me a text, email me at McGregKyle@yahoo.com. You want me to spell that shit out for you? Yo! Every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. I love it.
we eat pussy 24 hours.
Every day.
7 days a week like you're working at Denny's.
Every day.
All country, all your life.
Every day.